countif counts the number of cells based on condition you specify. So this is our table, and this is ID field, this is designation, and this is salary. Now I want count of employees whose salary is 50,000. For that, I'm writing 50,000 salary. Now I want count of employees whose salary is 50,000. For that, equals to countif. Within bracket, I have to give range. So this is the range. And then I have to give criteria. I want employees whose salary is 50,000. 50,000 is the criteria. So there are two employees whose salary is 50,000. If I change 50,000 to 60,000, result will automatically change. Let it be 50,000. Next, I want count of employees who are programmer. I want count of employees who are programmer. For that, equals to countif. Within bracket, I will select my range. Then criteria. I want programmer. This is, I have given F7. Bracket close and enter. There are two employees who are programmer. Next function is countifs. What it does, it counts the number of cell in range based on single or multiple condition. So for that, our question is count the number of employees who are programmers and salary is 50,000. The employees who are programmer and whose salary is 50,000. This thing we want. So equals to countifs. Within bracket, first we'll go for this programmer. I'm giving the range of cell, comma, criteria is I want programmer. Our second condition is whose salary is 50,000. So again I'm selecting the range and again comma, then 50,000. So there are two employees who are programmers and their salary is 50,000.